So recently, the Moon Knight trailer just came out for Disney Plus, and it looks amazing. I'll be honest, I didn't know much about Moon Knight until I heard Disney was making a series for it. A little summary is the main character, Mark Spector, is resurrected by an Egyptian moon god, giving him super strength and other abilities, all while having a multiple personality disorder, which all should make for an interesting plot. I wanted to create my own poster design for the upcoming series, so I searched the web looking for a 3D model to use. I came across this awesome model made by my now new friend Breno, who is a 3D character artist. If you are a big fan of this figure, you can order one from Breno yourself or get an STL file from him to print your own. He also has other amazing character designs that you should check out. I'll post his account links below so you can reach out to him and check out his other works. According to the comics, Moon Knight gets pretty brutal and dark, so I wanted my poster design to embody that similar theme. In order to match the theme, I would have to make it nighttime, raining, add a rooftop perspective, and add some violent red sprinkled into the mix. This was my first time creating rain and wet surfaces using Photoshop, so feel free to let me know how I did. And if you would like a tutorial video on the particular process, I would be more than happy to make one. Just let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy the video, find it entertaining, or learn something new from it, make sure to give it a like or a comment. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to hang out a little bit longer, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.